We are very happy to share our thoughts on this mobile application that we developed in collaboration with Tarang Technologies. Fundamentally, let me talk about why we thought of this in the first place. Cafe Coffee Day is a brand which connects a lot with the primarily between the 17 and 28 kind of age groups who are, let's say, highly connected digitally. In the first place, we connect with them very well on the digital platforms, which is, let's say, in social media. We have close to 3.5 million fans on Facebook and stuff. But of late, we've been scanning through a lot of data which says that in excess of 35% of internet accessing, particularly in social media, happens through the mobile phone. So if that is the case, we thought we should enable connections and contact with the brand and engagement with the brand through a medium in the mobile phone, and hence this whole means of an application. In fact, some people call an activity like this as the mini bar effect, it's where you consume something in the bar and then you have a mini bar in the room to be able to access it whenever you feel like. So to that extent, people access a Cafe Coffee Day in real life by going into cafes, but we are allowing them a chance to access the brand even beyond the cafe by sitting into their pockets by means of a mobile phone. So fundamentally, in this mobile phone, we have features which are to do with store location, which is, we realize that the largest number of queries that we get on our website is to do with where is the nearest cafe or how do I get to a cafe. So the store locator is primarily going to help in that space. Second, we all believe in deals, and so there's a deal maker in this where a whole lot of deals can get delivered to people who have downloaded this app. The third and possibly a unique one which we think is going to be of use in this is the whole ability to actually create a hangout or arrange for a sort of a informal hangout meeting with friends, which means if 2 or 3 people who have downloaded the app, with the use of this you can actually plan a meeting much like you would do on an Outlook meeting request kind of thing. The fourth is the fact that there is a Cafe Moments. We have a prepaid program called the Cafe Moments, and this app will facilitate someone to know the balance of that is available on the card or the transactions that have been done, and with complete transparency. At some stage in the future, we would like this app to even replace the presence of a physical card. So these are big benefits in the way we see, and with the world going digital and digital going mobile, it's a matter of time before all phones with all folks become smartphones, unlike right now where the percentage they say is small right now. The numbers float anywhere between 35 to 45 million, but perhaps in time to come there will be a huge